Good morning, you guys. Welcome to a brand new vlog. So today's vlog, I am shooting looks for Halloween. Today is the 30th and tonight only the video is gonna go up. So I'm shooting for Halloween. I've decided on 2 looks and this is a collaborative project. I have my photographer, my makeup artist and few other people who help me around with the shoots. So yeah, this is gonna be fun. Today is gonna be a long day. I will quickly right now it's 9:30. I'll quickly get up, do all the stuff, pack my stuff, have my breakfast on the go, and then reach the location. So I will take you guys there. Until then, continue watching. Bye. Hi guys, so I've changed into my first outfit. I'm wearing this white dress. You'll see why, because the whole outfit after the whole look. So let me first introduce you to my team today.
Okay.
Hi Simar.
Hi. Okay, so I'm gonna style Rose. I'm gonna help her actually with the 2 Halloween looks that you're gonna see today.
Okay. Where is Sanya? Where is Sanya?
Hi, I'm Sana. I'm a makeup artist for today and we'll be doing 2 Halloween looks.
She's like, hi, I'm Sanya. Hi guys, so we just got done with the look number 1 and it turned out to be really amazing. We clicked some really good pictures. So now it's time to remove the eye makeup so that we can go on to the look number 2. So yeah. So this is the look number 2 and please don't get scared because I'm looking myself at the mirror and I'm like whoa. So this look is basically where we've created the devil look and this look is really easy to create, and Sanya, who's the makeup artist today, has created this amazing look on me and she's just used eyeshadows. Like imagine this amazing look is created using just eyeshadows. And
It's basically using mostly 3 products, that is red eyeshadow, black eyeshadow and a black gel liner. So we've used gel liner on the brows, on the lips, on the lids, and we've used eyeshadows for the face. And also we've used glitters for under the eyes and it looks amazing, I think.
What do you guys think? Let us know in the comment section. हमारी मेहनत आपको कैसी लगी? Though it is really easy to create, you guys can do it for your Halloween parties. And I should not speak much क्योंकि बहुत scary लग रहा होगा. I don't know. We'll just quickly go click some really cool pictures for Instagram. So make sure you are following me there as well.
Bye.